Hi everyone, Sonia here. Some of you might know me as one of the hikers who's part of Come Walk With Us, the couple who's doing a 4-year hike for birds across Canada on the Great Trail to promote diversity in the outdoors and engagement with nature through birds and citizen science. Last year we hiked over 3,300 kilometers, crossing Canada's beautiful Maritimes provinces and entering Quebec. As you can imagine, we are excited to get back outside, get back into shape and onto the Great Trail to continue our adventure in 2020. In the meantime, like many of you, we're looking for ways to stay connected with nature while remaining close to home and practicing social distancing. We have many exciting ideas for doing this, but the first one we're going to share with you is doing citizen science using a free app called Inaturalist. To be a citizen scientist, all you need to do is make observations about nature and share them online to help scientists understand how our wildlife populations are doing. This is really easy and fun to do with the Inaturalist app, which can be downloaded for free from the app and Google Play stores. Once you've downloaded the app, you simply use your camera to take a photo of something in nature. The app will record the time and location of your observation, and you will then be presented with a series of photos you can compare yours with to help you identify what you saw. Select the species that matches yours. Confirm your selection by clicking the check mark and submit your observation. That's it. You successfully turned your photo into data and become a citizen scientist. Each photo the app presents also provides cool facts and natural history info so you can learn about different species in your area. The cool thing is, iNaturalist works for more than just birds. You can use it to ID and learn about mammals, plants and trees, butterflies and other insects, reptiles and amphibians, and pretty much anything else in the natural world you might be interested in. Citizen science is not only fun, it also makes a huge contribution to conservation, from your own backyards to the boreal. Millions of observations are submitted each year and used by scientists in all kinds of ways, like this map which shows the annual migration of white-throated sparrows in North America. So join the fun and help make a difference by sharing all the cool things you find in nature through citizen science. Stay tuned for more great ideas on how to safely and responsibly strengthen your connection with nature through your window, in your own backyard, or at a local park, even during this time of quarantine and social distancing. Or follow along online to learn more about the birds and wildlife along Canada's Great Trail. Thanks for watching.